Hey guys.
Hey guys!
Today we're going to be making edible unicorn slime. It's by Jello, the brand. We haven't tested it out yet. We're gonna see if it works, if it's actually able to play with, and if it's good. So we have our powder. We have a tablespoon, a bowl, and we have a spoon to stir it with. Okay, so on the package it says to measure out 3 level scoops of slime mix. It comes with a scoop inside of it, is what it says. It's very powdery. Bury the scoop in it.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Like flour. It's very, very messy, especially if you get it on your clothes.
That's it.
I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Okay, how much hot water does it say?
It says
You're reading the second one. Warm water.
pour 1 scoop of warm water into a bowl and
Here, I need a scoop tray.
stir for 30 seconds. Ooh, it smells like strawberries. I did not mean for that to happen. It's so messy. I'm gonna close this before it spills.
1 scoop of warm water.
Ooh, that is so
guys, it's
pretty.
Okay, it says stir it up for how long?
30 seconds. It smells really good.
Wow, it gets really hard. Stir.
It's
Are you counting?
no. I would just say stir until it's all clumpy. Not for you to play with.
You have to make sure that all the powder is mixed in with the water.
Here, you want me to go get that other spoon and help you?
Yeah, it gets hard and then it turns back into water.
Yeah, it's like that stuff where
Cornstarch and water.
what?
Cornstarch.
Yeah, that stuff. I forgot what it was
It
called.
probably is mixed with cornstarch though.
I'm pretty sure it's cornstarch little thing. God, it looks so good, guys.
Look at this.
It looks
It turns back into water, but then when you try to stir it, it's really hard.
right. I wonder how it's.
I
I
wonder how it's
gonna
gonna
turn out.
taste.
Oh, touch it. What does it feel like? Ow! That hurt.
It really did.
Tastes like strawberries.
Why'd you taste it?
Because when I stuck my finger in there, I tasted it. Sorry. Didn't mean to. Do you want to add another thing?
No. Oh, directions. Okay, we're good.
Add 1 tablespoon of warm water and play using your hands.
1 tablespoon.
I'm so happy. Alright, let's play. It said play using our hands.
Okay.
Play. My God.
It's very hard.
You think? Alright, let's stand up now. Let me fix the camera. No, actually.
Push it back. No,
Ooh.
smart. Push the top back. Thank you. Okay, so it's very messy. when you do this, it's like hard, but then it just like turns back into liquid in your hand. Look at that. It's like going back into a liquid, kind of. But it's weird.
That was the most weirdest thing I've ever done. No, it's not. I just lied to myself.
Hold on, let's see if it stretches.
I don't think it does. Let's see, though. Ugh, it's so
No, it doesn't
hard.
stretch though. It says that it stretches. Follow.
Follow?
the directions. Look at the directions. We did that. Did that.
It's only 3 directions.
Yeah, it says that we're supposed to be able to stretch it, but it doesn't stretch.
Can we eat it?
It's edible.
You want to eat it now? Here, let's sit down
Go
and
ahead.
eat it.
You can. See what it tastes like.
Let's eat it, guys.
It tastes weird. Not a very good texture though.
Tastes powdery.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like strawberry, but it's powdered.
Just gonna let it sit there and like,
Give me some
turn
water.
back into like a liquid type of thing.
Paste the water on there.
Look guys, It'll fall. I feel it getting ready to fall.
Maybe that's how it stretches. Doesn't taste so good.
Mm-mm.
It honestly tastes terrible. Looks like a tongue.
I don't know, guys. I don't know if I like this one.
I don't know either. I want to try it one more time.
Yeah, guys. I don't think this turned out very well.
No. I want to see what happens if we add more water. Or will it just get more stiff?
I don't know.
Want to find out? Experimenting.
Go ahead.
Just gonna use that.
Add like another like half a scoop or something. And like it's just like crumbly.
I know.
Tell you what
It turned into like, it's like water paste.
Stuck up. Not very much.
It turned into like,
I said half a scoop.
oh. We're going in. Yeah, you freaking.
You're rude.
Thank you. That's a thank you. I'm keeping my hands
Why'd
wet.
you add an entire scoop?
I'm keeping my hands wet to see like if it changes, like how it. It feels sticky.
It feels like it's a lot liquid, more liquidy. But that's because you added a freaking scoop of water. Whoa. It gets more liquidy a lot faster.
Oh my god.
I don't know, taste it now. See if it tastes any different.
No, it does not. It's like oobleck. That's what it's called. It's called oobleck.
Hey, you stole it!
Sorry. We should buy like tons of these.
My baby's just like freaking out over here. Yeah, I don't know if I like this.
I like playing with it.
I know, but it's nasty.
It's disgusting. It doesn't taste good. So at least we got, well, technically both were a fail, but we could still play with it as if it was slime. It's like putty, except non-stretch putty, you know? Hey. Look at my hands. This is because of her.
Yeah, you just got it all over.
It's like lotion. Want me to put it on my face? No, I'm just kidding.
No,
Like, I love playing with it. It's really fun to play with, but it's not something like,
It still doesn't stretch though.
yeah, it doesn't.
I'm trying to get it off my hands. Just made it worse. I think I'm just
Stop putting it on my hands. No, you're gonna fling it everywhere. That looked fun.
I'm gonna wash my hands now.
Right, you do that. It's like it has sand in it because of all the like little bumps.
I think that's what's supposed to flavor it. But it doesn't
Yeah.
do a very good job.
No, it does not. I like playing with it. It just turned to like water now. It
I
turned
think
to.
that you added a scoop of water into it.
Hey, at least it stretches now. No, it does not. It just turns into water. I
Mark,
just
wash your hands.
wanna be. All right.
Smart. Seriously.
I know. Right. You tried to scoop it off. Right, I gotta hurry up.
Yeah, because it does drip. You have to clean up the kitchen after this anyway. Okay, let's get a paper towel and clean this up. I don't know if paper towel's gonna work because it's like hard.
Probably not.
It actually worked really well.
We have a big mess to clean up. I mean, it was fun.
Hey, it's on my laptop.
So that's all. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the
Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't forget to click the bell.
ding dong. And comment below what did you think about it. And should we do this again?
We should not.
We should not. But let's see what they want to say.
You guys can try this out if you want. Maybe it'll turn out better for you.
Maybe it'll help if you
Maybe
don't
we
use
just
a full
got a dud
scoop.
container.
Maybe it will help if you don't use a full scoop like I did.
Yes,
Yeah, but that's all for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed.
This was a major fail.
Yes.
I wouldn't get that again. It's just a waste of money.
Mhm.
I wonder how it turned out for the other. Okay, our sisters, my sister Brooke and her sister Tamara, they have their own YouTube channel. What's their name of it?
I don't know.
We don't know the name of it yet.
They just started it, just like we
They
did.
just started it. We'll put the link in the description
once we find it in the next video.
Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Before we go, what is this called? Try this out and comment below in this video. What did you guys think of it, and did it work for you if you don't use a full scoop like I did?
And comment down below if you did use a scoop and if it turned out right for you guys.
Yeah, because it definitely didn't work for us. It's water.
Okay, love you guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.